Welcome learners. In today's video, I will tell you how you can earn money from research. Yes, you heard right. You can earn money from research as well. So in this video, I will tell you complete detail and complete information about how to earn money from research. So welcome to Murad Learners Academy, the place where people come to learn. So learners, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell button to get notification of my latest informative videos. So as I was telling you that in this video, I am about to tell you how you can earn money from research. So let's learn. You have to go to this website, which is springer.com. Let me tell you about this website. This website is known for research papers, research books, journals and articles. You can find them here as well. And you can also earn money from this website. How? Let's learn. You have to go down below. You have to click on this affiliated program. So when this page will open in front of you, you will read there affiliated marketing with Springer Nature. So where as a Springer website is providing you an affiliate program, which is very simple. Activate your account. Second step, integrate your ads. Third step, get your commission. With just 3 easy steps. So how you will do, let's learn. So this website, which is springer.com, gives you 3 different give you different types of affiliated programs. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 programs which are affiliated programs. You can choose any one of them and start earning money. So we will see one by one. So first we will select Springer Shop affiliated program. Let's go to this page. So the Springer Shop affiliate program is the affiliate program where if someone buys a book, search paper from this Springer Shop website, and you will get commission. So what you have to do, participate in this website, sign up for free, activate your account, integrate your ads and get commission. Benefits which you will get is commission, shopping cart at $100, cancellation rate is low, return rate nothing to worry about. Then vast selection of advertising media like product data, texts, links, logo, banner sets, then SV product catalog, then promotions, then lifetime, then special conditions, then sport and much more. You can apply here by clicking on this link. Apply as a publisher to our Springer Shop program. You can also contact them by this email ID to get more information about this program. Plus there are some fast answers and questions which you have in your mind. You can get answers as well. So this is plan number 1. We will go to the second affiliated program, which is plan number 2. We will click here. This program name is Appress. We will go to its website, which is appress.com. It is also an affiliated program. So here we are, the Appress affiliate program. In this program, participation is very easy. Number 1, you have to sign up for free. Number 2, activate your account. Number 3, integrate your ads and get your commission up to 15% of order value. Your benefits are in front of your screen, which they provide you, and you can apply by clicking here, and you can get information from this email ID. So next program which we have is the Nature affiliated program. Let's click on Nature affiliated program and learn about this program, what it's about and how you will earn money, what will be the commission and the steps you need to get registered to this affiliated program. So here you are. This is a page affiliated sign up. You can sign up easily from this page. If you go to right side, you will get 20% commission per subscription. Once a publisher surpasses sales of 200, then Nature increases the commission earned to 25%. So it's a very good earning opportunity according to me. So let's move to our number 4. I think, yes, sorry, wrong website. Let's move to our next program, which is the Pal Grade affiliate program. We will click on this link. It will open in few seconds. So in this program, you can also earn a good commission. So here it is. The participation is simple. The 4 steps which I mentioned, and benefits are a little different from the previous one, as you can see. and you can apply by clicking on this link, and you can get any information you want by contacting on this email ID. Okay, so let's move to our last affiliated program, which is the Springer Nature author affiliated program. If you are an author, then this one is for you, trust me. So this author affiliate program is simple to use. You can join this in 4 easy steps. Plus you will get benefits. Here you will get 30% commission on every purchase of your publication. Then advertising tools, eye-catching tools, you will get product lists, then duration of 30 days, support, much more. You can register today by clicking on this link, and plus you can contact them, and there are some fast question and answers for frequent answer questions whose answer you can get by clicking on this website. So learners, in this website I shared affiliate program of Springer.com. Let me repeat briefly. The first one was the Springer Shop affiliate program, from where you can get up to 10% commission on sale and 15% from a monthly turnover of more than $1,000. Coupon partners 8% for each sale and 12% for a monthly turnover of over $1,000. Then there was a second program, which was a press affiliate program. It gives you non-coupon partner 10% for each sale and 15% from a monthly turnover of more than $100. Coupon partner 8% for each sale and 12% from a monthly turnover of over $1,000. Sorry. So then the next program, which was I told you, this program gives you 20% per commission. Once a publisher surpasses the sales limit of £2,000, then your commission gets increased to 25%. Then there was the fourth program, the paragraph program. In this program, you will get non-coupon partner 10% for each sale, 15% from a monthly turnover of more than $1,000. Coupon partner 8% for each sale and 12% from a monthly turnover of over $1,000. Then the next program which I shared with you was the Supernatural Author Affiliate program. In this program, you will get a good commission. You will get 30% commission on every purchase of your publication. So you can earn money by writing and becoming an author with this website as well. So simple ways to earn. You can earn easily from this website. I hope you learned a lot from this video, how you can earn money from your research, as many people don't know that they can earn money from research as well. I hope you learned from this video a lot. If you learned from this video, then like my video. If you haven't learned, then dislike my video. There is no issue. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get notification of my latest videos. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.